여러분, 링고라 영어 중급에 오신 걸 환영합니다. 오늘도 자연스럽고 살아있는 영어 함께 배워볼까요?
Hi everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to sound natural when chatting in English. Ready, Misu?
네. 오늘 배울 표현 뭐죠? I want to speak like native speakers.
Great question. Our phrase today is what's up? It's a casual way to say hello.
What's up? 하면서 인사하는 거죠? 좀 더 쉽게 설명해 주세요.
Of course. It's like asking 무슨 일이야? But just a friendly way to say hi. You got it.
Hey Ashley, what's up?
Not much, Minsu. Just finished my coffee. How about you?
I'm good. Just got back from the gym. It's sunny outside. Perfect day, right?
Yeah, totally. So are you up for a walk later?
Sounds great. But sometimes I say, how are you? Is what's up better?
That's a common mistake. How are you? Is more formal, while what's up is super casual.
그랬구나. So with friends, I say, what's up? But at work, how are you?
Exactly. You got it. Let's try again. Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Perfect. What's up literally means what is up, but natives use it to mean what's going on.
So, it's not about something being physically up.
Right. It's just a casual greeting. You can answer with not much or talk about what you're doing.
그래서 not much이랑 같이 쓰는 거군요.
Exactly. Also, what's up is informal, so avoid it with people you just met or bosses.
Got it. Then, how are you is more safe for formal settings?
Yes. And one more thing. When asking, say what's up, not what's ups.
하하, 그 실수 많이 했어요. Don't worry, let's try again.
You got it.
So many Koreans say, what's ups? Is that wrong?
That's a common mistake. What's up uses up as uncountable here. So, no, cease.
Oh, I see. Then how about, how are you doing? I heard many ways.
How are you doing is perfect in both formal and casual settings. Just be natural.
Sometimes I mix. How do you do? Is that similar?
How do you do is very formal and old-fashioned, mostly used in introductions.
하하 또 실수했네요. Thanks for the correction.
Don't worry, let's try again anytime. Here's a tip. Americans use what's up a lot with friends and family.
So, it's like a friendly greeting, not really asking for details.
Exactly. And sometimes people respond with not much, even if they're busy.
Oh, so I don't need to explain everything?
Right. It keeps conversations casual and light. Also, saying hey or yo can be common.
Yo, that's cool. I should practice that.
You got it. Try using these in casual chats with friends.
Okay, Ashley. So today I learned what's up means a casual hello.
Yes. And remember to answer with not much or share what you're doing.
Don't say what's ups. It's a common mistake I made.
That's right. Great job sticking with it, Minsu.
Thanks, Ashley. 좀 더 쉽게 설명해 주세요.
Always happy to help. 오늘 배운 표현들 잘 기억하시고 다음 링고라 영어 중급에서 만나요. 안녕.